actually on my way out. So I'm just gonna be doing a quick get ready with me. Yesterday I did my first high puff, and I'm gonna be doing the same thing today. Obviously I have taken it out, so I'm just gonna refresh that and tie it down. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually just drop some of this wild growth hair oil in my scalp. Even though I have my hair in this high puff, I definitely don't want to neglect my hair at all. So I'm just going to be putting a few squeezes in this, trying not to get on the outside because I am going to gel it up. Right. Then just massage that in. So the wild growth hair oil, it contains coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba, rice bran, whatever that is, cocoa butter, pomegranate, rosehip, just a bunch of natural oils all put into one. So now that I have that in, I'm just going to put some warm water on the puff portion. And this is my misting bottle that I started using recently, and I think a lot of the water ends up going into your hair versus just falling off with your regular spray bottle. I got this on Amazon, and I'll put the link to it below. It says it's from Seg Beauty, excuse me. It did say it was continuous spray, which I am not positive what it meant by that. When I first saw it, I thought maybe I squeeze on this and it just continues to spray until I let go, but that's not what happened. So I'm not sure about that part, but it does function pretty well. So I am pleased. I'm gonna wet the edges too so that they'll be easy to manipulate. Break that cast of gel a bit. I'm gonna take a great amount of this extreme wetline gel. Starting with the front, I have just spread that extreme wetline all over my hands. And I don't really want to get any of it on the puff itself. My puff, after I washed my hair yesterday, I had already moisturized it with TGIN Daily Moisturizing Buttercream and argan oil. And I've been trying out the Kinky Curly Knot Today leave-in conditioner, so I did use that as well. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and just brush up everywhere that I've put gel. To brush up, I'm using one of those hard bristle brushes. Now when I'm doing this, I try my best not to bring it towards my edges because it is too rough for your edges, hence why we use toothbrushes or these edge control brushes, because it is too harsh and will cause breakage. But as thick as the rest of my hair is, it can hold it. Alright, once I do that, I'm going to take the hairspray. I am just coating my hands with that, then wiping it on. Now this I definitely don't want to get on my puff because I want my puff to remain nice and soft and moist. Alrighty, so using a shoelace, I did tie it once in the back, and I'm going to pull that as tight as I can. Right now I have it all the way to the bottom. So all I'm going to do is slide that up a little bit. Pull it tighter again. And doing this little bit by little bit and making sure you're pulling tighter and more taut, it just ensures that everything is as tight as it needs to be. Now I don't want to bring it up too far in the front, because that will just make my puff smaller. I wonder if that's high back enough. I have no idea. Honestly, as I said, yesterday was my first one, so I'm still not a pro at this. then I'm actually just going to bring the shoelace around and tuck it in the back. Little natural lay on the edges. Okay, so I don't want my silk head tie, and you always use the silk head tie so you don't dry your hair out. I don't want it on my puff, so I am folding it over, and then I'm gonna put the broader side in the back, since that is the biggest part that I need that hold. And then I'm not gonna let my head tie cover up my face too much because I do still need to do my makeup. Woo! The lay down, honey. Hello? Who do you think you are? Listen,